If you want to liven up your chats on Messenger, using word effects can be a game changer. Word effects allow you to link specific words to animations that appear in a chat, such as floating hearts, balloons, or other emojis. Let's learn how to use this feature step by step. First, open Messenger. Get into the conversation where you want to use word effects. Now you will see their profile showing at the top. Click on it. A new window will open up. In here, tap on Word Effects. In the text box, type the word or phrase you want to add an effect to. For example, I'll write box. Then tap the emoji icon to select an emoji that will appear when the word or phrase is sent. After that is done, tap Add to save the word effect. Now go back to the chat. In the text input area, type the word effect you just created. Like, I'm going to type box. Hit the send button. And there you go. Your amazing word effect just came to life. And that's how easy it is to create and use word effects in the Facebook Messenger. If this video helps you out, be sure to like it and hit the subscribe button for more tips like this one. And I'll see you around.